Have you ever wondered why some people suddenly disappear? It's scary to think about it, but in South Africa, more and more people are going missing or being kidnapped. Let's talk about what's happening and why it's a problem and what can we do to stay safe. Lately, South Africa has seen a lot of people vanish. Some are taken by bad people who want money or to hurt them. Others go missing and no one knows why. This is happening all over the country, from big cities like Johannesburg to smaller towns. It's not just grown ups, kids are going missing too. This makes everyone feel worried and sad. A 6-year-old girl named Jocelyn Smith went missing in February 2024. She lived near Cape Town. People looked everywhere for her, but she's still not found. The police found out her own mother, Kelly Smith, and two others sold her for money. They were sent to jail for life, but Jocelyn is still missing. This story broke many hearts in South Africa. A 30-year-old student named Olurato Mongale went on a date in Johannesburg. She never came back. Just after 2 hours after she was reported missing, her body was found. The police say a group of men tricked her, robbed her, and killed her. They caught one man and are looking for others. This shows how dangerous it can be to trust strangers. An American pastor named Joshua Sullivan was taken from his church in Motherwell in April 2025. Four men with guns grabbed him during a sermon and drove off in his truck. The police saved him days later, but the kidnappers wanted a lot of money. This happened in front of his family, which was very scary. In May 2025, the police warned about a group of men in KZN who trick women into going on dates. They meet at shopping malls, but instead of a fun time, the women get robbed or kidnapped. The police caught some of these men, but others are still out there. This makes people afraid to go out to public places. There were about 4,600 kidnappings between July and September last year. That's about 51 every day. Some bad people kidnap for money, like asking for ransom. Others are part of gangs who sell people, which is called human trafficking. South Africa has had a lot of crime, and sometimes police can't catch everyone. This is a big problem, but there are ways to stay safe. Stay with people you trust. Don't go alone to places you don't know. Tell someone where you are going. If you are meeting someone new, let your family or friends know. Be careful online. Some kidnappers use the internet to trick people. Don't share personal things with strangers. The last resort would be to call for help. If you feel unsafe, tell an adult. If you are a child, or if you are an adult, you may call the police right away. The police are also working very hard. They've caught some kidnappers, like the man in Soweto who pretended to be a police officer. But we all need help by staying alert. Thank you very much for watching this video up to this far, and thank you for everything that you have ever done for this channel, and thank you for subscribing, thank you for liking, and thank you for sharing. And from me to you, I'm signing out. Peace. Till next time, see you on the next one.